How to craft and use Ancient Gateway in Hytale. So firstly we need to go to the Forgotten Temple, which is here on the map. So go to this portal and in the middle go to your memories collection. Simply press F to interact, and if you place your mouse here you will need 100 memories to unlock Ancient Gateway. If you want to just try it and you have the creative mode, you can type here this command /memories unlock all, and you will unlock all memories at once. So then you can craft the ancient gateway. So I'm gonna go back to my base. Now we need to open our Arcanist workbench, and here at the second place is the ancient gateway. This will not be visible if you don't collect 100 memories in this game. Then you can craft this ancient gateway. You will need cobblestone, thorium ingots, essence of life, and essence of void. And also you will need these 3 shards. Each one is for different worlds. So I'm going to show it to you. Cobalt ingot and essence of life, adamantite ingot and essence of fire, and thorium and essence of life. Place your ancient gateway, for example here. Press F to interact, and it says you need a fragment key. So place the ancient key into your hand and now press F to interact, and you can summon portal here. You can stay here 6 minutes. Click here to enter the world. And now you can enter this portal. So if you find this video helpful, leave a silly comment in the comment section and see you next time.